If you drive an older or higher mileage vehicle, repair costs can increase as major components begin to wear over time. Major components like the engine and transmission become more likely to need repair as mileage climbs. That's where Endurance coverage and plans like Secure Plus can help. Secure Plus focuses on protecting the most expensive components to repair, including the engine, transmission, and drivetrain, while also covering key systems that older vehicles commonly need to have repaired, such as brakes, air conditioning, steering, and electrical components. It's also designed for broader eligibility, covering vehicles that may be up to 20 years old, making it a strong option for drivers with older or higher mileage vehicles who still want meaningful protection. Like all Endurance plans, Secure Plus includes 24/7 roadside assistance for the duration of your coverage, along with 1 free year of elite benefits that help with services like tire coverage, windshield repair, and key fob replacement. If you have a higher mileage vehicle or want to explore other protection levels, our coverage experts can help you compare plans like Secure Plus, Superior, and Supreme to find the one that fits with your vehicle and budget. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit EnduranceWarranty.com.
Drive on